vlog.
Did you just move Joe Biden out of the way?
I was actually gonna.
Oh, just put Joe.
Are you not subscribed to the channel?
This is Natalie's account.
You're not subscribed?
Not even
I'm burning.
Close the damn window. A lot of this.
It just goes down so easily. Like, I was trying my best to make sure it didn't fall. Okay, now you're literally blocking the camera. You're literally done. You're literally finished.
guys!
Introduce ourselves.
Caitlin,
What's your pronoun?
she, her.
Your turn.
Cool. They don't.
Alex. You know.
Emma, she, her. Natalie, she, her. Yeah.
Guys, the license plate says Frankie in front of us.
Yeah, you're gonna have to hold it, Cole. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall. I swear to God. I swear to
It's
God.
not.
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Guys, my telekinesis wasn't working, I swear.
Your telekinesis? Oh.
Paul!
Paul, I found your Wanda thing.
It's Caitlin.
Oh, hey.
Where did you go, bro? Did you go to like the end of the earth?
She went right there.
We know your plan.
You guys were busy. You were sick. You didn't want to be in the call.
Emma's gonna go. Emma, I'm supporting your plan.
Guys, do you think we can Uber Eats ice cream here? Like a blizzard? No, like.
Emma, I put
Well, I feel it. What is it? Well, I was thinking maybe wouldn't it be melted by then?
They would put it in a cooler. We get Pizza Hut. Come on, everybody. Let's all have a fun time.
Emma, come pray with me.
dead.
I don't want to pray.
Can we just go down, Emma?
Look how cool that shadow is. Caitlin, take a picture.
And where?
In the cooler.
Where were they?
I don't know. You were literally with me, and I
What
put them in
chips were
Why would
they?
you put chips in the cooler?
there. Because there was
What chips were they?
sun chips. They're in a can.
Oh, Pringles? Oh, Emma!
That's your last fucking.
Yeah, all we have to do is build a sand bridge high enough that blocks up the water. And
Okay, you ready?
yeah.
We're
You're
just
so
chilling
funny.
at this island beaching thing. Alex is being emo.
Clean rainbow lollipop.
Okay, you're done. Can you not?
Alex, do you want to play mermaids with us or not?
Emma's dying, guys. Guys, Emma's dying. Guys, Emma's gonna drown. Guys, Emma's gonna drown. Oh, what are you doing?
I know. Over there.
I got it all on my back and
I'll come get you.
Oh,
wait, I can use my mermaid powers to stop her.
Oh, Emma! Wake up!
I don't like this, Chrissy.
Tell me when you start feeling sticky.
Is this lemonade? It got in my eye.
Lemonade in that?
Yes.
Alex!
You.
Cole, you look so stupid.
So like you're trying to punch me. Like I'm trying to.
We shouldn't chill with strangers. What's your name? Do you think I'm funny?
Oh my god! Emma, we gotta get out of here. They're going insane. They're going insane. We gotta go. We gotta go. Come on. Grab only the things you need. Go. Run. Hello? Natalie?
and she's gotta go. Oh, you didn't
No,
tell her that
don't.
you guys chose her? Any last words? I'm gonna fuck. I'm sorry. You're not funny, I'll kill you.
That's Vecna. Guys, I can't focus. I can't focus.
Oh, fuck.
Make sure there's no
Hey,
real.
UFO.
Guys.
Oh, now we're in like a city-ish. No, we're not.
Isn't that a news station?
It's an energy plant.
Okay, they can still have a microphone.
No, it's where L came from.
Emma, I swear
To bleep.
to God. We're having a talk right now. Both of you are out of fucking line.
I didn't even do anything.
Alex, you're crossing your eyes at me like you have something to be mad about. I didn't when you're the one that said all of that. Emma, you're scrolling on TikTok over there like it's a fucking joke. It's not a joke.
Like, what's a joke?
Literally.
I didn't do anything.
Stop.
Get out of my car.
How am I supposed to get out of your car? She has my key.
You just can't get into your house.
Emma? What do you mean, where did it go? Where's my key? Fuck you, find it.
Emma, when we're getting home, you're literally cleaning up all of this mess.
I didn't make this
Bleep.
fucking mess.
I didn't make it either.
It was all
Oh, Alex.
he just
Give me my key. I'm not cleaning this up.
bitch, neither am I.
No, it looks like it's gonna fucking
Rot in here.